Have you ever wondered how you were going to power your Lowrance Eagle 7 while on your kayak? This is one of the many questions we get asked at the GPS store. I'm Edward, and today I'm going to go over the Nocqua Pro Power Kit with you and how exactly that works with the Lowrance Eagle 7. Nocqua makes this adapter cable right here. They also make this Power Pro Kit. In the Nocqua Pro Power Kit, you're going to get a 12-volt battery, and you're also going to get a battery charger. Like I mentioned earlier, they do have an accessory adapter cable, which allows you to hook up your battery to your unit. With this adapter, you simply connect your screw in So now you simply take the 2-pin power source and plug it into the 2-pin power source and make sure you've seated it all the way down. Simply power on your unit and you're ready to go fishing. Be sure to charge your 12-volt battery before heading out, as the battery percentage tracker is on the charger itself, and you will not be able to keep up with that while out there. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about these products, please do not hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you.